Fala galera, tudo bem com vocês? Eu sou o Gabriel. Seja bem-vindo ao nosso canal Cal em Cena. Mais um dia pra vocês aqui em Orlando. Estamos no Epcot. E hoje vamos gravar pra vocês nossa primeira vez nesse parque. Clima de Natal. Nessa viagem não estamos gravando, vamos gravar só o dia de parque, que já veio muitas vezes, né? Então para não ficar muito repetitivo. Parque diferente, a gente vai gravar pra vocês. Olha lá a bolona do Epcot. Então se tem alguém que saiba vir pra cá, já se inscreve, manda pra pessoa, dá um like no vídeo e bora acompanhar com nós.
Primeira parada, Guardiões da Galáxia.
Guardiões da Galáxia já fizemos o agendamento. Vou assistir em breve.
Realmente, você tentou, não conseguiu, no mesmo horário.
Entramos nos Guardiões da Galáxia.
What I find intriguing is that not only
Sensacional,
are
gente, ó.
Voyagers receiving and sending data,
Parece que tá no
they are
espaço.
also serving as ambassadors, carrying greetings from new Terrans to the universe. Images and messages from the people of Terra, or Earth, as you call it. Will has claimed that
Você não tinha visto?
These reefs interact with metals in our seawater.
Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy. Xandar features an unparalleled collection of arboretums and recreational areas for all to enjoy. Our byways feature rare species of
We are also enormously proud that our oceans are home to thousands of species.
But they also make up strength. The armor is placed over the standards.
but these three vessels as dangerous it was in just a moment.
Our world would have been destroyed in the battle with the Kree were it not for the help we received from the Guardians of the Galaxy. I was fortunate to secure this exclusive interview with them. I am absolutely thrilled to speak with the leader of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Passamos pela fila, né, baby? Interativa, agora estamos esperando pra entrar na atração, né? As portas se abriram.
I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born at the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guard. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
Do Jurassic World.
Ele que é o...
What didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man inside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons. This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. It's created a jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where, when.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow him through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This planet of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're reconnecting.
Agora veio com a turma toda. Agora vem a turma toda. Turma toda, turma toda. Vou mandar. Você tá doido?
Okay, that was on point. This plane is never gonna work.
Mas vira um pouquinho pra nós.
Não, não. Dá pra ver nada, bro.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. You are likely doomed.
You're gonna need it. Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done? I think we're coming back.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paid attention? Link your stop blast. You haven't been paid, but not for long.
Pra Lívia. É demais pra Lívia, coitada. Esse brinquedo é demais pra Livinha, tá? É demais pra Livinha, coitada.
Agora teve música. Muito mais legal que música.
Ô, Diel, agora tocou.
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Amor.
Galaxy.